Hi there. In this video, I'm going to be talking through how to set up a prepaid voucher or package within your BookingTimes system. So if you've purchased one of these templates, you go ahead and click on the packages menu item, and this will display all the products or packages that we've got set up in the system. Every template will probably have a few products in there. So what we're going to go ahead and do now is we're going to go and log in as an admin, and we're going to go ahead and update this 5-lesson pack over here. Okay, so when we've logged in, we simply go to the setup menu here, and then we go ahead and click on products and packages. Okay, we're going to go ahead and click on the 5-lesson pack. And again, this one has already been set up, so we're just going to alter some details, but I'll talk you through how to set one of these up. Now, the key thing here is the product type. Okay, so the product type is a voucher or service bundle. Again, the terminology voucher could be updated within the system. It could be prepaid voucher, something like that. But it's important that it's the service bundle, because what it means is when you scroll down is you actually specify exactly what services are included in this particular package. In this case, we are including 5 times 1 hour auto lessons. So again, make sure that you select the exact duration for this, because that is going to define the number of vouchers that sit on this client's account, and then they use those vouchers to book in these services. So all of these here are all the services that we've defined via Setup Services menu that get booked in directly into the calendar. Okay, now I'm just going to be a little bit more descriptive here to say it's 5 auto lessons. This category here is something that you can update if you wish as well. Again, I'll just leave this one the default from the template. You can set a validity if you would like. This short description is internal only, so usually leave this blank. Go ahead and add in the retail price, $360. 360 divided by 5 equals $72. We're going to go ahead and update this to 70. Now, the Publish tab here is if the client clicks on the description that you would like to display to them. Okay, so let's go ahead and say this pack contains 5 auto 1 hour lessons. Okay, you can see there is some interesting placeholder names here. Now, what these are used for is if you display either the product name or the product price anywhere on your homepage or supporting pages, what you can do is you can actually go ahead and copy these into those pages, so then that will pull in the exact price based on this configuration. So when you go ahead and copy this in here, it's going to pull out this value that you've set. This means that once you've got all of these set up on your homepage and your supporting published pages, if you do go ahead and update your service, your product pricing, you won't have to update any of these pages, which is really handy. Okay, this here will take you to what the URL looks like. So once I go ahead and save, that description is going to show there. And then this add cart URL allows you to link that against the button so that it takes the client immediately to their add cart screen with that particular product added. So it's actually bypassing the screen that shows them this description. So it just allows a really quick way that you can just push the client into that shopping cart and allow them to complete their purchase. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click Save. Okay, so now when we go ahead and click on this link here, we can see our order description has saved there. Okay, hopefully that's helpful in setting up this prepaid voucher product.